Hey everybody, today we're in a Kia Seltos. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 856000. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the white covering here and here. You want to peel those covers off the tape before you install the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the face. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different seams. The first is down here. It's between this kind of matte finish plastic that goes right under the vent and this glossier plastic that's just underneath that. So that seam right there. And the second is just under the lip of the vent here. So the first thing we're going to do is the mount came with two gap openers, and we're going to insert them just so we can open this seam up. This is a pretty tight seam, so you may have to wiggle the gap opener in just a little bit, but we want that to be opened up so we can get the mount in there. Do that, you'll want to basically go right about in line here and right about where the curve starts on this side, just so you have enough room for the mount to fit in between. Now, we're going to take the bottom straight edge, and that's going to get inserted into the newly opened seam. You want to press it all the way in so that tape touches the dash. Then you can remove the gap openers. Now, you just need to put one finger on top and press down a little bit, as well as pushing forward with your thumb. There you go. The mount will snap in on the underside of the vent, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.